All right, so here we are today to look at the mechanical cart solution for a customer in Switzerland. It's a shelf cart and it has some nice features I want to demonstrate here today. First of all, we got a flat shelf at the top and we have these kind of rubber carpets to protect material that you store on there. Then we have two middle shelves where we actually have the possibility to pull it out. So it's an extendable shelf. And you see how easy it slides in and out, and it locks with this locking mechanism here on the right hand side, the red locking bar. At the front we have also the possibility to store vertical parts, and here we lock them into position using these hinges. And at the bottom of the cart you keep them in place then, and you also have a small rubber piece there to protect the parts. At the front we have a Towbar, a tongue, where we can connect this to a tugger train setup then. Also at the bottom of the cart you can see we have these black squares. That's to move the cart with a forklift, so they act as fork pockets. We also have casters, of course, and we have two swivel casters with brake, and we also have the foot guard on these wheels on this cart. On the short side of the cart here we also have two handlebars. We have a horizontal handlebar and we have two vertical handlebars, and of course there's a document holder so we can make sure we know what parts are on the cart and where it's going. To learn more about FlexQube and this cart, visit flexqube.com or contact any of our sales reps. Thank you.